This story is prepared in the direction of Yogesh Kumar. Once upon a time, there lived a ferocious lion in the forest. It was a greedy lion and started killing animals in the forest indiscriminately. Seeing this, the animals gathered and decided to approach the lion with the offer of one animal of each species, volunteering itself to be everyone, me, the lion every day. So every day it was the turn of one of the animals. In the end came the rabbit's turn. The rabbits chose a old rabbit among them. The rabbit was wise and old. It took its own sweet time to go to the lion. The lion was getting impatient on not seeing any animal come by and swore to kill all animals the next day. The rabbit then strode along to the lion by sunset. The lion was angry at him, but the wise rabbit was calm and slowly told the lion that it was not his fault. He told the lion that a group of rabbits were coming to him for the day. When on the way, an angry lion attacked them all and ate all rabbits. But himself somehow he escaped to reach safely. The rabbit said, he said the other lion was challenging the supremacy of his lordship, the lion. The lion was enraged and large to be the asked location of other lion. The wise rabbit agreed and led the lion towards a deep well filled with water. Then he showed the lion his reflection in the water of the well. The lion was furious and started growling and naturally its image in the water. The other lion was also equally angry. Then the lion jumped into the water at the other lion to attack it and so lost its life in the well. Thus, the wise rabbit saved the forest and its inhabitants from the proud lion. Moral: wit is superior to brute force. Learning outcomes: students will be able to understand the theme of the story. तो टुकड़ों में बनिए लाली